Do you like spending Monday mornings catching up on email and prefer not to be bothered with chats? Do you know that you'd like to automatically mute chat notifications during your staff meeting every week, or always after work hours and on the weekend? Create a recurring chat Do Not Disturb schedule in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today we'll show you how to create a Do Not Disturb schedule in Chat. Let's get started. In Gmail settings, go to the Chat and Meet tab, then Manage Chat Settings. From there, scroll down to the Do Not Disturb schedule and make a custom schedule for different days and times. Do Not Disturb will automatically be turned on during those times, helping you stay more focused. So there you have it. Set a Chat Do Not Disturb schedule in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube.